Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and we are still in Homestead, and we are going to try another mango that we got from Mango Men of Homestead, and this one is called Joe Ellen. It's another one I know absolutely nothing about, but it's ready to eat now, so we're going to go ahead and give it a try.
Do you remember how many pounds of mangoes we picked up there?
I could calculate it by what we spent and what they charge per pound probably, but no, I don't.
Okay. I thought their prices were fair.
Yeah. This has more of, I don't know how to describe the smell. What's that smell?
Oh, wow.
I
It's
smell,
like cantaloupe, papaya,
no,
or something else.
I know this smell and I can't put my finger on it.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
You don't think so? Which might mean it's
Maybe
overripe.
pumpkin. No, this just means it,
Okay.
well, I don't think this is overripe.
We bought these yesterday.
Yeah. So,
I think this is one that you probably don't want to let get overripe.
yeah, I don't think there's any way this is overripe, but it's pumpkin. I think you're right about pumpkin smell. A little bit pumpkin taste. It's not very sweet, but it's not very tart. I mean, it's a little bland, but it does have some distinct. It's not like a watered down bland. Like sometimes you get a mango that's just got too much water and it just tastes washed out. This isn't like that. It's
We just tend to not favor pumpkin-y flavors.
Well-
I think there are people that really like pumpkin-y flavors.
I mean, it's not bad. It's just it's a little hard to describe.
Yeah.
It's
I'm curious what it tastes like near the skin because it looks, I wouldn't call that jelly seed, but
wait,
it has
I
that
just
more
got
translucent.
I got a flash of a flavor. A lot more resin near the skin. But let me see if I can recapture that flavor. Grape.
Oh,
It's a grape flavor. Like a muscadine grape flavor.
I'll try this piece at the end. It's kind of got that translucentness, and I don't know,
Yeah,
like
I don't think that's jelly seed though.
maybe like
It's
lower
like maybe the
calcium.
beginning of a jelly seed a little bit, but not. It's not like a bruised jelly seed.
Yeah, I like the area without that more because it's got a little bit of that resin flavor.
You know, I can't really tell the difference. Tastes kind of uniform to me, but
But if you want to try Joellen, let us know
Yeah.
what you think and if this looks like a fair representative. Can I show like what it looks like inside? Because I'm not sure if that's how they normally look. Or
so it is a little darker near the center versus the outside, which looks more like regular. I mean, it looks a little like jelly seed coloring, but the texture is not jelly seed. So I don't know if that's typical of the cultivar or if that's just this one in particular.
I wish I'd taken a picture of the fruit beforehand because it's really pretty. It has like a lot of red on the skin. And it was a decent size fruit too.
Kind of butchered that piece there. Just to me, I'd say overall, it's a grapey, pumpkiny. I don't want to use the word washed out, but mild,
Mild, not
flavored.
strong flavor. Yeah.
Not overly sweet. There's really almost no tartness at all. There's no resin. There's a little near the
Yeah.
skin, maybe. It's just it's a little
And it
bland
might just
for
be
me.
this particular one
could
that we
be.
got to.
It's a pretty mango.
Mhm.
There's a lot of flesh on it. It's just not very.
It's not what tends to be our
Yeah,
favorite.
it's not quite exciting enough
Yeah.
for me. It's a good mango. You could, if you were putting it in a chutney or
Yeah.
a smoothie or something, it'd be fine for that. But just for
But it's beautiful.
no,
So I don't know if it's like being grown to be like a commercial variety. There's not a lot of fiber in it, but there is some.
yeah, no, the fiber's fine. It's just kind of yeah, it's all right.
I like the end pieces because they're more resinous. Which makes me think that this more translucent part closer
Yeah,
to this seed
It could be maybe
is something.
it's something more in the something in the jelly seed category because it does have kind of that jelly seeded kind of
Which I
bland,
associate
washed
with
out.
pumpkin flavor.
I associate it with the mango falling and getting bruised, which this does not have at all.
Yeah.
But the result is the same.
I
So
think low calcium too, but I wouldn't think that the soil here would be low calcium. 'Cause
no,
it's coral.
this is in Homestead. You got about 6 inches of soil, and then it's just limestone. So, yeah, I think he has to dig out pits just and they may have room for root growth. So calcium should not be an issue here at all. But anyway, it's okay. It's all right.
But it might not be a fair representation.
You know, I mean, I'd give it this one as it is. I think like a 4, but
Yeah, I give it a 6.
so anyway. So this was, I forgot what it was again.
Joe
Ellen. I'd try it again because I think it's probably got to be better than this particular one was, but not bad. I've had worse. So.
Yep.
Anyway, so that's this one. Tell us what you think if you tried this one. We'd love to hear some more opinions and tell us that we're wrong.
Yeah, because it might just be a bad.
Because it
mango.
could be an off. So you
We
get
did-
that with
we-
every variety of mango
Yeah.
we've had. We've also had a bad one of that variety at some point. So.
Yeah, we did get another Ceci Love mango, and we'll do another tasting of that.
I love Ceci Love is amazing, but
They had them like in a separate box, and we had to ask for them, and they were allowing like one per customer
Yeah.
on the day we went.
I think everybody likes those. So.
Yeah, and they were selling trees, and their price has gone up a lot with trees too because they were underpricing them, and somebody let them know. So I think they occasionally have trees available. They also had a lot of dried fruit
I didn't see
that
that.
was grown there. They had a lot of jellies and stuff that they had made with the mangoes there. It's a really cute setup. I'll put a little photo or
It was
video
very well
in.
organized too. So.
Super well organized, lots of people there helping, and everybody was super nice. And they had like a list of all the cultivars, which I thought was really helpful.
Yeah.
'Cause
So
now-
if you're in Homestead and you are interested in trying some new varieties, Mango Man of Homestead is an excellent opportunity. You can go. They have them all lined up. Pick out what you want.
Yeah.
Pay by the pound, and
It's probably the best
So-
place in Homestead if you're wanting to try new varieties by far.
so give them a try.
Yep.
Anyway, that's all we have for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.